Hello everyone and welcome back. Another day, another workout, lower body functional strength for today. Let's get started. Take a deep breath. Then exhale. Let's start with our pelvis. Drive your hip backwards. Place your arms on your knees. Rotate your hip and your pelvis forward and backward. 1, 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, nice and smooth. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. Arch, hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your upper back a little bit. Open your arms towards the side. Keep holding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then slowly from here, you need to squat all over down. Keep arms in front of you. Heels on the ground. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then from here, you drive your knees forward. Elevate your heels off the ground. Arms go towards the side. Flex your legs, toes, ankles, everything. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then slowly from here, arms in front of you. Left leg drive straight back. Fully straight, knee on the ground. Point your toes. Feel that stretch in your left side. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, with your right arm, take a deep breath. Grab your left toe. You bend your leg and you grab your left toe and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you switch. Left leg in front, right leg back. Take a deep breath. 5 seconds hold. Push more from the right side on your right side. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath again. Bend your leg with your left arm. Grab your right foot and flex. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Okay. Open your knees towards the side, toes together. Take a deep breath. Drive your hip backward. Fall forward, baby pose. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, arms on the ground, legs on the ground. Take a deep breath. Knees, legs square. Exhale. We're gonna elevate your left leg straight first. Lock your core lower back and hold it tight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you switch. Right leg back. Lock your core lower back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you switch again, but this time we're going to elevate the knee from the ground. Left leg straight back, rotate your pelvis, elevate your knee up and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we switch. Left knee on the ground, right leg straight, point it. Lock the core lower back up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Awesome. We did good warm up. Stand up. Now we continue. Start doing something simple. I will do for face to you first, and then towards the side. We need right leg in front, rotate it outside. We're gonna bend slightly your left knee. From here, we're gonna drive in the same position, the right leg backwards and forward. When we are in the middle, we need to flex our left leg, bend it again, flex up, bend up, and back and forward. What I want to mention here is when you bend your knee, please always push your knee outside, not inside, outside. Make sure it is stable. Here we go. We need to do 10. Forward back counts as 1. And 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. The right leg I will do from the side. Same thing. Left leg in front, rotate outside, bend slightly your knee, and let's get started. 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. If you cannot do it properly, you can do it with wall support or with any chair support, whatever you find useful for you. Here we go, moving towards the next one. Pay attention to what I'm going to do. I will do first face to you and then towards the side. We need the right leg to drive back, bend slightly your knee, and then from here, pay attention to what I'm going to do. I will work right now with left leg, so elevate my right foot from here and just work with the left side and back to the middle. Squeeze side, back to the middle. The feeling is you need to grow in your left leg and rotate your pelvis and bring it back. Grow and bring it back. Make sure you're not moving your knee forward and back in this time while you're moving. Let me show you from the side how it looks. Here, then you grow up and down. Grow up and down. Here we go. We're gonna start with the left 10 times and then right 10 times. Nice and smooth. Let me do like side view. You can like maybe catch it more clearly. Here we go. Right leg back, hip back, drive, bend your knee a little bit and start working. All the weight works on the left side. Here we go. 10. Work slow. 2. Have good control. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. If you are shaking, that's okay. Try to not drive your leg behind you too back or too high. This will give you more stability. Here we go. The right leg, same thing. Face to you I will do with the right. And here we go. 10 and 2 from the right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very useful thing. Near the wall you can do the same. You can just place your arm near the wall and just support yourself and do the same. Or you can put a chair in front of you. Just make sure you're not giving to the wall or to the chair too much body weight. Here we go. Take a deep breath. Exhale. The next thing is we're gonna do the same. Elevate, rotate, and just hold here 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the middle and change. Towards the side and from the side. Back first, elevate, grow in your hip, grow, rotate your right and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back in the middle and down. This kind of mobility is mobility and stability is very useful because in your daily life you never know where you're gonna fall. You never know like what will happen with your lower body. You're gonna step out from the car, step inside, like stairs. So you need to practice differently. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Moving forward. The next one, what we're gonna do? Lounge backward and forward. So we're gonna lounge back and then we're gonna step forward. Lounge back, step forward. Here we go. 10. Forward back counts as 1. Take a deep breath. Let's work. Make sure you're not open too wide and you're not working too close, like normal. Here we go. 1, 2, nice. 3, keep it all back straight. Work slow. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. Make sure like you warm up your knees very good. If this practice is not enough for you, I mean, before you can have good warm up, you should know yourself better than me. Take a deep breath. We are switching side. Left drives back and then forward. And 10. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay. The next one we're gonna do squats, working on thigh muscles a little bit. Open wider as possible. Bend your knees already. And let's squat. 10. Down as low as possible. 1. Go ahead. 2, 3. Nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back up. Take a deep breath. Exhale. We continue. Lower a little bit. We're starting towards the right, tap up, towards the left, tap up. Here we go. 10. Towards the right side. 1, 2, nice. 3 knees pushing towards the side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back up. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Then you need to exhale. Okay, legs towards the side a little bit. Drive your head backwards, feel your hamstrings. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, you lower all over sumo squat. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly try to touch with your left knee to the ground and back up. And the right and back up. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. Awesome, my friends. Take a deep breath. Let's go into down dog. Great. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, you bend your left leg. Same as we did, we grow from the right foot, from the right hip. So grow from the right and bring it back. Grow from the right and bring it back. Here we go. 10. Let's work. And 2. Go ahead. 3, 4, 5. Nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And hold it there. Push my shoulders, feel the stretch in your upper back and hip as well. And down. Take a deep breath. We're gonna switch, same thing. Right leg banded and grow in the left side. And 2. Go ahead. 3. Nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Down dog. Hold down dog 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. You can step closer. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. That's it, my friends. Quick, efficient mobility and stability for your lower body. Very useful. I wish you all the best. Take care of your body. Peace.